Chase Norris with Maxxon. I am the Florida commercial sales rep. The collaboration between Spectra, Floor Technologies, and Commercial Flooring Distributors really started after a meeting we had a couple months back with Spectra. They were able to tell us about the Stratus Center project, and we were able to get out on it actually the very next morning with Floor Technologies. We were able to put a bid together using Commercial Flooring Distributors as our distribution partner. They're very well organized on top of this project and was able to order the material well in advance, have it ready at the job site, and everything staged before the project was ready to start.
Mike Kelly with Commercial Flooring Distributors. I'm the president and part owner, and we're in DeBary, Florida. I believe CFD's role in this was actually making this job easier for everyone. It's making it easier for Flooring Technologies by ordering and delivering the material on site at a proper time, making it easier for Spectra Contract Flooring, our direct customer. The scope of work here was perfect for this opportunity because all of the other players that were in consideration for this had a much longer drying time and a much deeper fill. With the products that Maxxon can provide and the applications with the applicator, we were able to use a low density fill and then be able to cap with the level right at a much faster, more economical rate than our competitors. This is a challenging job, and what stood out for us was the collaboration between the manufacturer, the distributor, and also the applicator.
My name is Christopher Henry. I'm the president and owner of Floor Technologies. Maxxon and Commercial Flooring Distributors were working together with Spectra on this project and trying to find a solution for the final contractor. And when they realized this was going to be a deep and complicated pour and they would need pumping abilities, they brought in Floor Technologies with our equipment to be able to pump this out in an efficient manner.
Having Floor Technologies, Spectra Contract Flooring, and Commercial Distributors all come together on this project was imperative. Working all three of us together definitely simplified the logistics on the program, which benefited both the contractor and the flooring contractor.
Yeah, I would absolutely recommend working together closely with a distributor and with Maxxon to come on projects like this. It opens up a lot of opportunities for all the organizations involved, and with good communication and good collaboration, these projects can really come out and be highly successful and profitable for everybody.